In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily read messages on an iPhone without them knowing. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started and first off, open up Messages application. As you can see, I got one unread conversation here, and basically guys, all we have to do to read messages in that conversation without them knowing is just long press on that conversation and it will come up with that preview. In that window, we'll be able to scroll it down or up if we got enough messages here. I got just one, so I can actually scroll it down or up, but if you got multiple messages here, you will be able to easily swipe down or up so you can scroll that conversation, and that's how you can read iPhone messages without marking them as read, so no one will know that you read their messages in that way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.